Hello guys, what's up? This is your guy VR and you're watching Viscerity Vlogs. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So after many days guys, I'm vlogging again. After the Pune trip I didn't vlog any much. I just made one small video of my village where I traveled. I didn't travel on my bike there. I just went directly on a train and I just explored the place. So after that I'm just wearing my jacket just today. Okay, this is Sunday, reporting from Hyderabad, and I'm heading to Hill Park restaurant with all other guys from Moto Ichai. That is our tree gang, which we renamed it to Moto Ichai, and some other people too. So many people are coming. Obviously it's a Hill Park, so it's expected to be so many people. But the main question, where is my Vayu? As you can see, I'm riding a Duke 250 today. So there's a bitter truth which I had to tell everyone, that I've sold my Vayu a few days ago. Okay, yes, I finally sold my Vayu. It's been 30,000 kilometers with my bike. I traveled a lot. So yes guys, that is a memory which I had with my Vayu all these days. So properly 30,000 kilometers since 2018, 19, 22 years. I thought it's enough now. The power, everything, I've enjoyed a lot. I've enjoyed up to its level, top level. So I thought, why shouldn't I upgrade? Okay, so stay tuned what bike I'm going to take now. It's gonna be good actually. Something greater than 300cc plus bike. So I do not yet decided which bike to take. Please let me know in the comment section which bike should I take. Chalo, see you near the highway, Banglore highway. So we started our ride. We have so many riders and two beautiful bikes, Triumph Street Triple and Honda Fireblade 2. Look at this exhaust note, dude. ये देखो डिक्की में घुसो। तू तो गा रहा है, तेरा इज्जत क्या? What a power, bro. Okay, so I didn't vlog till now.
Yeah.
So we just came to Hill Park and here we have our stunning CBR 1000 and we have Street Triple and our Duke R15 Harley Davidson, my favorite Adventure 390, Duke 200 Interceptor and RE. These are our guys. Excellent. And अरे भाई तू कार क्यों लेके आया? ये राइडर्स का है ना, उसके बाद से क्या